Here's how you can simply clear your Windows 11 cache to improve your laptop or PC's performance. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go over to this Windows icon right over here and search for Run. And then it should be this one right over here, so click on it. Once you do that, you want to search for temp. So type in temp, T-E-M-P. Then once you do that, click on OK. And then it should show you a ton of files. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to select all of them, highlight them, or simply click Ctrl A and then right click and delete. Then that's how you can simply delete your cache. That's the first step. Now let's go over to the second step. The second step is that you want to open up Run again. So click on this Windows icon and then search for Run. Click on it. And then now what you're going to do is that you want to click on Shift percentage, then temp. Then Shift percentage again. Then click on the OK button. And then this should show you a ton of files again. So what you're going to do is that you want to click on all of them. You want to select all of them, Ctrl A, or you can select them one by one, but Ctrl A is easier. So click on Ctrl plus A, and then you can simply right click and delete, or you can simply select this bin icon and then click on the delete button. And for the ones that don't work, you can simply just say do this for all currents and then skip. So wait for it to delete. And once that's done, let's move on to the third method or the third step. The third step is that you want to open Run again. So click on this Windows icon and then select Run, or you can simply search it up. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to type in prefetch. Type in prefetch. Okay, let me just correct that. Prefetch. And then click on the OK button. And then what you're gonna do is that you wanna Ctrl A again and then delete all these files. So delete. And for the ones that don't wanna delete, you can just simply click on the do this for current items and then skip. And then the last step is that you want to go over to Run once more. So go over to Run. And then now search for clean mgr. So click on the OK button, and then it's going to first give you the option to select the drive you want to clean, but I only have one drive, so it just took me straight to my drive. Then what you're going to do now is that you want to select the items you would like to include in your deletion option. So you can select like for example this, if you want to include it and the items to be deleted. And then once you do that, you can then simply click on the OK option and then click on the delete files. And then that should simply clean up your drive. You can restart your laptop so it can fully refresh. And then once more, I forgot that you need to go to your recycle bin and then delete all those files that you deleted earlier. You need to clear your recycle bin so that they can be successfully or permanently deleted. So clear your recycle bin. So once you have done all those steps, that's how you can simply delete the cache from your Windows 11 PC or laptop to improve your performance. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.